Hello guys, welcome back to my WordPress tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create a cookies. Maybe you want to add the cookies, maybe you're creating a site where you want people to agree on policies. Maybe it's a e-commerce website where they have to agree their policies in terms of the cookies. So I'll quickly show you how to add cookies on your website. So as you can see now, we're on dashboard. Let's go over to plugins, then click on add new plugin. Click on add new plugin. Okay, then type here on search. The plugin is called Elements Pack. Element Pack. Element Pack. Yes, Elements Pack. Then wait for it to. Oh, what? I think there should be S here. Oh, backspace. But it's called Elements Pack. I think it's a spelling. Yes, Elements Pack. Here is it. This one over here. Just scroll down so that you can see it's by BD themes. Yes, this one over here. Yeah. Then let's install now. Click on install now. Let me just confirm. Done. Yeah, it is this one. Then let's wait for it to finish installing. Then we activate. Then we start building a cookie, a pop-up cookie on your website. Okay. I think it's a connection problem, but moment of truth, it could get there. Yes, pop, it's installed now. Then let's click on activate. Let's activate it now. Click on activate. Yes, it's activated. Nah, let's jump these bins. We'll see if they are useful or not when we get there. Let's just go to pages. Then all pages, and then I'll go to home page. I want to add this in home page so that when they get into my website, they just came across the cookies. They need to accept cookies. Yes, Elementor is loading now. Yeah, let's wait to load the element. And I would like to add it on down on footer, on the footer. Yes, let's go to the footer. Yeah, just right here. Let's wait to finish this thing because we just added another plugin, so the reason why it might take longer to finish this part. But for now, let's just add a widget structure. Then here's a structure. I want to add this one. Hope it's added. Then let's go to edit section. Then just type a search a widget there. It's cookies. Cookie. Yes, here's it. Cookie concept. Then drag and drop. Yes, as you can see, it tells you that this website uses cookies to ensure you get the best experience on our website. Okay, the button, you must got it. Maybe the button you wanted to say okay, got it or accept cookies. You can just type here accept cookies. Let's just say accept cookies, accept cookies, accept cookies. Yes, the button will be like this. Then there'll be a learn more button. Then here's the link for learn more. Maybe you had your privacy policy, then you want them when they click, they should learn more why you contain cookies. Then when they click on learn more, it should take them to that page. So you copy the link of the page and paste it here. So since this one it's a tutorial website, let me just quickly show you how. Let me just preview this page. Then I want to copy the link of the page where I want the learn more should be. And let me just go with login, because just a page. This website doesn't have a lot of pages. Let me just take this one over here. Yes. Then you copy this link when you get to your page. You copy this link of the page on top. Then just click on copy. Then you come back to your edit section. Then here learn more. Then this learn more should take them here. And this link we're going to paste here. Then we pasted the link here. Learn more. Maybe it's where the information is written, the privacy policies are there. Then the position button should be on the bottom or left or right or top. I'll leave it on the bottom. It's fine. Expiry date 7 days or less than 7 days or more. Yeah, I'll keep it 10. Let's go to stylize. Then you stylize the background of the cookie according to your brand. Then you give it like mine, I'll keep it as it is like this. Even here learn more text color is like this, but I will confirm this. Let's just go. Yeah, text color is white. Okay, let me just bring it to black. Since text color is white, then the learn more button is like this. Then you can choose the typograph. Then you can stylize the button also. The button background is like this. Okay, but I'll leave it as it. This website content cookies. Then let's go to advanced. Then advanced motion effects. Then floating effects. Then let me just say zoom in. It's going to have like this kind of thing. Then let's click on updates. We are happy now with our edit and everything is good to go. Just click on updates. Updating. Yes, pop is updated. Then click on preview this little icon. Then let's preview the cookies if are there or not. Let's just scroll down because they are in the footer. Yeah, here are the cookies here. I don't even supposed to go to yeah. This website uses cookies to ensure your best experience on our website. When you click on learn more, it takes you to that page. You remember the page where I copied the link? Yes, here's the page. Maybe it's where the page, it's a hidden page, maybe from your, it's not on the menu bar where you wrote your privacy policies, so that when they click on this learn more, it should take them to that page. Then when you click on accept cookies, boop, accepted cookies, then the website is fine now. It's good to go. Make sure you like, you subscribe, you give it a comment. Thanks for watching.